Okay, nice job working on your assessments. For the first problem, write down 3 multiplication problems that are still hard for you. Does anyone have an example of a problem they'd like to share? Azizia.
3 sets of 8.
3 sets of 8. Okay, so on my website I have Cuisinart rods. Which block should I use? The 3 block or the 8 block? Yeah, Miriam.
The 8 block.
Why am I using 8 instead of 3? You're right. Why 8?
Because the 3 is just the set. We need the 8 because the 8 can give us to the answer.
Good. The 3 is for the sets. There are 3 sets. The 8 is the number in each set. In each set.
Yeah,
so we have
it
1
can
set
give
of
us
8,
to the answer.
2 sets of 8. Very good. It will get us to the answer. And 3 sets of 8. How can I solve the problem from here? Who can tell me? What color of block should I use?
Brown.
Well, we use brown, but now I want to get the answer.
10?
Good, the 10 block. What color is 10, Abdulaziz?
Orange.
Orange. So now we can take our orange block, and we have 10, 20, and what piece fits here? Can I fit 5?
Yes.
No, that goes over the edge.
4.
Ah, let's try. Oh, this 5's not going away. I'm going to remove 1 block. Thank you, Osama. And 4. So our answer is 10, 20. 20 plus 4 is?
24.
Very good. For the next problem, make up 2 written multiplication problems with words. Does anyone have a problem they'd like to share with us? Daniel, yeah.
There are 4 train houses with 6 trains in each house. How many trains were there in all?
So, there were 4 train houses with 6 trains in each house. How many in all? In all. So we have 4 houses, 6 trains in each house. How many do we have in all? How can we solve this problem with the blocks? Nirav.
We can take the 6 and
Good.
take 4 6.
4 6s. Why 4 6s? So 1 set of 6.
2 set of 6. 3 set of 6 and 4 sets of 6.
Good. Why did you use 6 instead of 4?
Why? Because 4 is the set and we need the
4 is the number of houses, and we need what?
train.
We need the number of trains in each house. And our main question is, how many trains were there in all? So, how can I figure that out from this stage? I've got all my trains lined up. How can I figure it out from here, Osama? Which block should I use to get my answer?
10.
Good, the 10. So we have 10, 20, and oh, what do you know? I think we may have gotten the same answer. Is it 23?
No, 4.
24 again, nice. So 24 what?
Train.
24 butterflies? 24
No,
trains in all. Very good. And as we were walking around, I noticed that Nirav had a very interesting question for the last one. Write down 1 question you still have about multiplication, or 1 thing that is still confusing for you. Nirav, what was that question?
Why is there a 1 timetable?
That's a great question. Why is there a 1's timetable? Does anybody know? Perfect. Yeah? Yeah, what do you think? Why do we have 1's timetable?
Maybe because when you put, for example, if you don't have anything to add to, and it's always so hard that you need a 1 block just so you can count it, and you don't know all the numbers, so then you just put the 1 block to count it up to. the answer.
Good, good. I can think of an example where, say I need to go to a candy store. Alright, I shouldn't say need. Say I want to go to a candy store. Simply want. So I want to go to a candy store, and there are 7 pieces of candy, Daniel, and each piece is £1. It's very expensive candy. So, there are 7 pieces of candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And they each cost how much? £1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now, if I didn't use multiplication, I would have to do what? 1 plus 1 plus 1, joined with 1, joined with 1, plus 1, joined with 1, equals
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So £7.
So it costs £7. Now, with multiplication, do I still have to do that?
No.
No. I could look at those 7 pieces of candy. 7 pieces of candy. How much does each piece of candy cost? 1. 7 pieces of candy, 7 sets of 1. They each cost £1. Is what? 7 pounds. So that's one reason why we have the ones timetables. Instead of having to go 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, now we can just go 7 sets of 1. Does that help answer your question?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, another question.
It's just that on the times table you did, you started the 7 for the 7 times table instead of the 1 for the 1 times table.
Because there are 7 sets. It's kind of confusing. The one piece of candy is the set. So, one set, if you could put a circle around the candy, right? 1 set of 1, 1 set of 1, sorry, 3 sets of 1, 4 sets of 1, 5 sets of 1, 6 sets of 1, 7 sets of 1, and it costs £1. So 7 set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I had 1 set of 7, that would be 1 piece of candy that cost how much? £7. So 1 set of 7, that's 1 piece of candy, 1 set of, and it costs how much? £7. So it's a bit confusing. I can see where that's tricky. But with this, we have 7 pieces of candy, 7 sets of, how much did it cost? £1 for each. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Answers your question? Okay. Alright, nice work today, guys.